If you're aiming to become a machine learning engineer, there are 9 essential skills you need to master. In this video, we'll break them down one by one to help guide your learning journey. Machine learning involves creating models that learn from data to make predictions or decisions. As a machine learning engineer, you'll need to master various skills, from programming and mathematics to deploying models. Let's dive into the first skill. 1. Programming languages. The foundation of any machine learning career is proficiency in a programming language, and the primary language used in the field is Python. It's beginner-friendly and highly versatile, making it perfect for machine learning tasks. With consistent effort, you can gain a solid understanding of Python in just a couple of months. Some roles may also require knowledge of languages like Java, R, or C++, especially for performance-critical applications. However, as a beginner, focus on mastering Python first. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to learn everything at once. 2. Version control. Next up is version control, specifically with Git. Git isn't a programming language, it's a tool used to track changes to your code and collaborate with others. Though Git has many features, you don't need to learn all of them at the start. By focusing on the essentials, you'll be able to use 80% of Git's features in just a few weeks. Once you get the hang of it, you'll have the skills to manage your codebase effectively. 3. Data structures and algorithms. While many self-taught engineers skip this step, having a strong grasp of data structures and algorithms is crucial. Understanding these concepts not only improves your problem-solving skills, but also helps you manage large datasets efficiently. Additionally, big tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta often test candidates on these topics during job interviews. Spend about 1 to 2 months mastering them, and you'll be well prepared for both job interviews and real-world challenges. 4. SQL. As a machine learning engineer, you'll need to access and organize data, which is where SQL comes in. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language used to interact with databases. Fortunately, SQL is simple to learn, and with a month or 2 of practice, you'll be comfortable querying and managing databases to support your machine learning models. By the way, I've created a free PDF guide that breaks down these skills in detail. You'll find the link in the description, along with tutorials and full courses on my website. 5. Mathematics and statistics. A solid understanding of mathematics and statistics is vital for mastering machine learning. Algorithms are built on mathematical principles, so focus on learning linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. These topics will help you grasp how algorithms work and how to optimize them. Dedicate about 2 to 3 months to these subjects to form a strong foundation.
6. Data handling. Once you've got the math down, it's time to focus on data handling. This involves cleaning and preparing your data for machine learning models. Learn how to use tools like Pandas and NumPy to manipulate data, and libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. These skills will help you identify patterns and anomalies, making it easier to create effective models. With a good foundation in Python and SQL, you can get comfortable with data preprocessing in about a month or 2. 7. Machine learning fundamentals. Now, let's talk about the core of it all. Machine learning fundamentals. Machine learning algorithms fall into 2 main categories: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data, meaning each input comes with a known output. In unsupervised learning, the model identifies patterns and relationships within the data without predefined labels. It's crucial to understand how these algorithms work and to familiarize yourself with tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-Learn, which are the essential frameworks for building and training machine learning models. Spend about 3 to 4 months mastering these concepts and tools. 8. Advanced topics. Since you've nailed the fundamentals, it's time to move into more advanced machine learning concepts. These include techniques like ensemble learning, which combines multiple models to improve performance, and deep learning, which involves complex neural networks. You'll also want to dive into natural language processing and NLP for text data and computer vision for image data. These advanced skills will enable you to tackle more complex problems and build sophisticated models. Spend 2 to 3 months working on these topics to deepen your knowledge. 9. Model deployment. Lastly, you need to learn how to deploy your machine learning models. Knowing how to turn your models into working applications is critical. You can do this by learning Python frameworks like Flask or Django, which allow you to create web services that can use your models. Additionally, familiarize yourself with Docker, a tool that packages your model and its dependencies to ensure it runs smoothly on any machine. Think of Docker as a way to box up your model so it works anywhere. Spend about 1 to 2 months mastering deployment basics to confidently deploy your models for real-world use. Conclusion: if you dedicate 3 to 5 hours a day to learning these skills, you'll be ready to apply for entry-level machine learning jobs in 12 to 20 months. Be sure to check out the free PDF guide I mentioned earlier to help you track your progress, find knowledge gaps, and prepare for interviews. You can find the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them in future videos. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.